Let's talk about the 3 crystal allies for June, each one supporting a different part of our align, release, and anchor framework. To help us align, we have Moonstone. Moonstone is deeply connected to intuition and inner awareness, making it a natural fit for month 7. It supports emotional insight, inner guidance, and the quiet practice of turning inward. Moonstone encourages you to slow down and listen to what you feel and sense within yourself, rather than constantly looking outward. Hold it during meditation or quiet reflection. Keep it nearby when journaling, or use it when you want to strengthen your connection to your own intuition. Moonstone reminds you to trust what you know. If you missed the full monthly numerology video for June, make sure you go back and watch that now so you can get the entire picture of how to work with this month's energy. Sending you love, light, and healing.